Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sadaf, and today I'm going to talk about a very sacred thing, that is zakat. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Zakat is a form of almsgiving which is considered as a mandatory process and also regarded as a form of worship. It is a form of wealth tax that is given at the end of the month of Ramadan, but it is not necessary to give it in the month of Ramadan because the charity and the generosities are the virtues that can be practiced in any month of the Ramadan. So basically what zakat is, the root word of zakat means to purify. So by giving zakat we purify our wealth. So now we will discuss that is the giver of the zakat. The giver of the zakat is based on the income and value of the possession one have. To be liable for the zakat, one's wealth must amount to more than a threshold figure which is termed as nisab. So there are two mayars for the nisab, that is gold and silver. Nisab by gold is the standard in 3 ounce of our equivalent cash, while nisab for the silver is 21 ounce and or equivalent cash. And who is the receiver of the zakat? The poorer, whose amount is not equal to the threshold figure, that is nisab, and the person, immediate family members cannot be the receiver of the zakat, and a person who belongs to the Hashimi caste. So coming towards the objective of the zakat, why we give zakat? Zakat is basically, as the word defines, it is to purify the wealth. So zakat we give to purify our wealth. It purifies the heart of the giver from the materialistic things, the worldly things, and it also purifies the heart of the receiver from the hatred he has having towards the giver, because he thinks that he is having more than him. And it is also a purification of the society from the class struggle, from social injustices and lack of concerns, and it also diminishes the uneven distribution of the wealth. So in the last, I would remind all of you that we should be mindful of the fact that the wealth is the thing that we cannot take to the grave, and we will be held accountable for our wealth. So we should spend our wealth according to the rules, according to the teachings of the Islam. Thank you.